My name is Alex Huyschen. I'm an associate professor at the Radboud University Medical Center in Nijmegen, the Netherlands. Here I run a research group called Genomic Technologies and Immunogenomics. Structural variants are a very important type of variation in the human genome, and potentially they have been underestimated, both in prevalence and in amount, and that's a major focus of my group. A lot of structural variants in the human genome are mediated by repeats, and the standard of care methods that we use in the laboratory are not perfectly suited to that. So that left quite a significant proportion of the genome understudied. So there's inversions, insertions, translocations where the current technologies had either no capability at all to identify them or very minimal resolution. Unfortunately, there's still at least half of our patients where we don't give the answer. In optical genome mapping, it literally is looking at the human genome with high resolution, and that is very well suited to identify structural variants. This also offers an intrinsically easy and straightforward workflow and analysis. There's an extremely low false positive rate and also a very low false negative rate. What I'm excited about is that OGM is identifying disease-causing insertions or inversions that have not been picked up by standard methods. OGM now combines what karyotyping fish and arrays offer. There's no blind spots anymore, and we can really look at structural variants everywhere in a personal genome. OGM has a great potential to replace fish, karyotyping, and CNV microarrays. Furthermore, if you compare it to the more molecular technologies, OGM is very complementary to sequencing-based assays. We're running hundreds of OGM samples, and within a few years, I think we should be able to run thousands of samples on a yearly basis. What I expect with this currently dramatically growing user base of OGM users is more massive application of this technology. The users amongst each other really can push this technology and its application in the clinical setup much more in the years to come.